Welcome to Healthcare Sucks. Excuse my speech defect today. I had dental surgery. So, even with so, I thought I'd do a quick report. Behind me, you see the great treehouse that we had built with cooperation from my disabled son. Give you a little view of it. Pretty nice. I wanted to touch base real quick on the border decision down there today. You're going to hear, we're stopping this, we're stopping that. And then from the other side, you're going to hear, we're not stopping this, not stopping that. The reality is, there's always going to be addiction. If you go back there was an issue called the Contra situation, where actually the United States was trading arms for drugs that were being imported by the CIA, NSA, DEA, etc. back in the 70s. That's reality. I would put to you that it's no more or less than what's going on now at the border. And the reason they don't want it shut down is because they are importing things that way. And they're allowing it to go that way in some kind of trade deal they're doing with people down south, let's just say. With that being said, the president upped the ante now. It's 70,000 people die a year now of drugs. Again, they don't tell you the facts that only 10%, if that, had a legal prescription for those drugs. So yes, illegal drug users are dying, not patients, not good apples, not people who suffer in pain. And then we heard a speech from a sheriff that his son had died and he had him arrested for smoking pot and all this other stuff. Well, part of that issue could be that he was a little too harsh. You know, pot ain't going to harm people. Either you can use it as a medication and a calming agent, or you can't. You know, maybe should have been a little bit more lenient on his son, not pushed him so hard. And then when he had 4 fingers cut off, maybe he should have seen that he had some pain medication and was supervised with it. With that being said, even addicts can be monitored on their meds for pain and mental illness. So there's no excuse. And there's no excuse by the states. They're getting millions, if not billions of dollars from the feds now for these wonderful programs, which I have yet to see hardly anything be done that's positive. Of course, they don't listen to Healthcare Sucks, or things would be run different. So with that being said, I'm sure there's more to say today, but I thought I'd make them a couple short and sweet ones here. And I want to also give a shout out to the Marfugel family. Marv himself, great guy. He is addressing everything coming out there. He's more mainstream media than mainstream media anymore. And he has facts. So again, please look into that. Marfugel News is a great guy giving the real what's up out there. And we're cutting it short and sweet today. I will address this matter a little further in a couple days, but my gums are pretty swollen. When you have mega teeth surgery thing done, not good. So remember, don't let them pull your chain. Don't listen to their bull. You know what? Because healthcare sucks.